guys, it's Abby back with another video. Welcome to my bathroom, where today I will be dyeing my hair using the Revlon Colorsilk in the shade Dark Ash Blonde, which is this one right here. Yeah, today's video is going to be pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to be following the directions on this box dye and hopefully getting rid of some of the brassiness in my hair. I haven't toned my hair in a few months, so as you can see, there's some like orangey tones and also a little bit of yellow, which I'm hoping to get rid of using this Dark Ash Blonde shade. I went ahead and got not 2 but 3 boxes because I have a ton of hair, as you can see. I'm just going to be doing a full demo and showing you guys the results at the end, so if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, just keep watching. So I went ahead and brushed out my hair, that way there aren't any knots in it. And essentially what I'm going to be doing is just parting it into 4 parts, 2 in the front and then 2 towards the back. Alright, as you can see, I look ridiculous. Like, what are these? Let's see in the back. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix the product together. So, just open up the box. So it comes with an after color conditioner that I'll be using in my hair after I'm done. And this is the color developer. And then here's the hair color itself. And then of course the instructions with the gloves. And yeah, if you've ever done box dye before, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to take the cream developer and the dye and mix them together and then shake. So I did a lot of research on this hair color in specific, and it says that if you leave it any longer than the recommended time, it's going to look very dark. So the recommended time is 25 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare 2 of them just because I know I'm going to need 2. Ooh, that does not smell great at all. The cream developer and add the hair color into it. Oh, fudge. I just realized I needed some scissors to clip off the ends. Just gonna shake these up, shake them up. Wow! What is wrong with me? Let's go ahead and snip off the end here. Is the product coming out? Yep, that should be good. Maybe I should do it a little bit more than that. Snip. I'm going to go ahead and let this section of hair down. Top part is the most important part because that's what you see when your hair is down. Just gonna be looking over here because that's where my mirror is. Just try to work on applying it towards the top first. That way I can just kind of slap it on once I get towards the bottom. Oh, that burns. To this side. Stay. And separate some more hair here. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 20 minutes because it took me about 10 to apply it. It's 5:58. At 6:20 I'll be rinsing it out, and the next time that I see you guys it will be styled and I'll show you the results. It's the next day. I went ahead and styled my hair, and this is the results. As you can see, it's a lot darker than it was before, and it's also a lot less yellow and a lot less orange, which is exactly what I was looking for. Very cool toned now. Before I had a lot of warm tones, and I have to say I am really freaking impressed with this box dye. Given that it only cost $3, less than $3 for each box, and I only used 2, so I was able to achieve this color for $6, which is really great. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these results. Like I said, I'm very happy, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel because I change my hair a lot. I'll probably be reviewing a lot more products that you might be interested in watching, so go ahead and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!